Welcome to RoboForex. Here's how to register using the referral code DTAS and get started on your investment journey. Sign up, visit the RoboForex website and click Register. Referral code. Use the code DTAS to unlock exclusive benefits. Select account type. Choose either an ECN or Pro account. These are the best options for capitulation trading. Deposit. Fund your account with a minimum of $100, though $500 is recommended for optimal trading. Leverage. Set leverage to 1 to 500 for maximum trading potential. Account funding. You can even replenish your balance using cryptocurrency. Copy trading. When subscribing, enable copy mode with a proportional copy coefficient of 1.0 to mirror trades effectively. Now, let's talk about the AG Investment Fund. It offers investors a unique opportunity to trade gold, one of the most stable financial assets. Our strategy combines technical and fundamental analysis, focusing on market trends, economic indicators, and global events impacting gold prices. By connecting to our account, investors can automatically copy trades, benefiting from the expertise of seasoned professionals. This helps to reduce risks and potentially double your returns as our team navigates the gold market for both rising and falling prices. Join RoboForex and the AG Investment Fund today for a stable and profitable investment experience.